Wikipedia English writes about the mark set upon Cain as follows. The curse of Cain and the mark of Cain are phrases that originated in the story of Cain and Abel in the book of Genesis. In the stories, if someone harmed Cain, the damage would come back sevenfold. Some interpretations view this as a physical mark, whereas other interpretations see the mark as a sign and not as a physical mark on Cain himself. The King James Version of the Bible reads, "Set a mark upon Cain." But what is that mark? I, Hiroshi Hayashi, have determined that the fact that his face was hairless is a mark. 弟のアベルを殺した罰により、兄カインはマーク、つまり誰が見てもすぐわかる印がつけられますが、そのマークとは何か、私林博は顔をのっぺらぼうにされたことがその印であると判断しています。広林、浜松シティ、ジャパン。This is one of the most confusing mysteries about Leonardo da Vinci. In other words, is the person depicted as a portrait of Leonardo really Leonardo himself or not? Of course, if I say something like this, I'm sure you would probably make the following claim. What are you talking about? He is, of course, Leonardo himself, who is the person depicted in the portrait. But is it really okay to think so? I, Hiroshi Hayashi, judge that the portrait of Leonardo is a combination of the faces of three gods. It is Leonardo